What's up guys, if you're watching this video, the new trading platform of Nova is finally out and I've been testing it in the past few days and all I can say is it is overpowered. It has a ton of new features and tools that help you step up your meme coin trading game and help you to trade. And in today's video I'm going to give you a full walkthrough through the whole platform and through Nova. And if you're not familiar with Nova yet, it's a trading bot that you can trade Solana meme coins with, and they just released their own trading platform, which is a huge step up because before they just had a bot and they were actually the biggest bot around during Q4 when everybody was really hyped on meme coins. Now they've created their own trading platform and we're going to take a look at it. So first of all, you're going to press the link in the description. This will give you 10% off all of your trading fees forever. You will also support me with it. And then you're going to create yourself an account on Nova. It's really easy to create an account, and then really important, they're going to give you a wallet. You're going to save the private key from the wallet, so if you lose your account, you don't actually lose your wallet and your money that is on the wallet. Save that. You don't have to use it because later on you can just import your wallets that you already use yourself. But if you don't have a wallet yet, a Solana wallet, you can just create one and then save it. So then you're going to need some money on it. Just get some Solana. It's really easy. You can buy it on Phantom instantly on the app. It's going to be a bit more expensive there yet. If you don't have any Solana yet, I will advise you to buy it on some kind of centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, Bybit, Kraken, Mexi, wherever. Just buy some Solana and then send it to your wallet that you have in your Nova. It's really easy. And then you're actually already kind of set to trade. So then you're going to look at this. It kind of looks overwhelming at first, I know, but trust me, it is really easy. So pretty much Nova is just like any other trading platform from the sense of it. It works just like Axiom, like BullX, like Padre, for example, like GMGN. But it has a lot of cool features, and I'm going to give you kind of a rundown of everything. First, a special mention is the Ignite monitor. Which I really like about this, it's really like noob friendly. If you first get into trading, you can use this a lot because it gives you a few coins that you can take a look at, and it actually calls you a few coins kind of without you actually needing to find them or search and filter through hundreds of coins on Cosmo on their new pair. Pretty much it gives you calls on coins. So we can take a look at this here, for example, fun. If you look at this one here, actually Ignited called it at 50k. It gave you a call and now it's sitting at 3 mil. So you could have actually made like, what is that? I think it's here, a 70x on it. And then you can see a bunch of other coins that one that did a 3x, 1.5x, 1x, 2.5x and stuff. But obviously, yeah, you just need one coin like this at 80x and then you're already eating. So that's really cool. And the important thing is I have not put any filters on here. So if you put in filters on here, you could probably even sort out and filter out most of the other coins. And then you're just going to get good coins like this one that's just taking off, for example. But yeah, especially if you're a new trader, I think this is a really cool thing that they implemented this, and then you can kind of train and start here and then work your way up to Cosmo, which is their new pairs where you can get newly created, about to graduate, and graduated tokens. Really important is you can trade almost everything on here, not only Pump Fun Bonk, but everything else as well, which is quite important. And another big thing is they're super fast of updating things. New things out, they work on it. 3 days later, it's here. You know, they're super cool about this. They're super supportive as well. So if you need any help or whatever, you can write the support. They're instantly going to be and help you. They're going to care about you. That's really cool. Another cool thing is if you already use a different platform, like for example Axiom, you can import all your stuff into here. For example, I just use my Axiom. I don't have any Sol in here anymore because I don't use it anymore. But for example, if you want to import your settings already, you can just go here. Then you can press on export and it's going to copy, and then you can actually press here, import, and then you can import all your filters. And I've done this on here, and now I have the exact same settings that I have on my Axiom. Another thing is you can also obviously import your wallets that you have from Axiom. For example, you're just going to go on manager, then you're going to go on export, then it has copied this, then you will go on wallet tracker, then wallet manager, and then you're going to import the wallets into here, submit. And that's already it. Then you have all your wallets imported into here. And yeah, other than that, you're going to have a monitor, which is really cool, where you can add accounts. You can add Truth Social and Discord accounts. meaning you always get notified when they post something. Why is that and not you can not add Twitter accounts? It is meant that you can add Truth Social accounts and then CT trackers. So for example, if you're in a group like Potion, you're in a group like Pastel, like Shock, and they have a CT tracker in there, you can post it into here and it's going to be even faster. And you can also have it open then on here. You're also going to have a P&L tracker that you can customize. You can put in names, currency, different themes, or your own picture like you want it. I think that's more like a thing if you want to stream, or maybe yourself, you just want to track it, which is really cool. Then obviously you're gonna have your ping, your FPS. You can select your server, which is the best. You're gonna see the ping for me now because I live in the EU. EU is going to be the best. You can hide your watch list and holdings. So you're going to see up here if you hold the tokens, how much you're up, how much you're down. I think that's really cool. Here you can get support, everything you need on their documentation page. Everything you need that I may not mention, you can check it out in here. And a big thing that I thought was so super cool is the customization feature that Nova actually has to offer. So you can go up here and then you can customize a lot of things. You can, first of all, the button size here, how you like it. You can also just drag it how much, if you want it like a little bigger or not, the preset, the button color, show hidden tokens, the market cap volume. You can make it large, XL, 2XL. And a lot of you guys are going to say, it's not super important, but like these are like the small things. Like you can just make the market cap a bit bigger if you like it. The token avatar, you can make it bigger and smaller. You can make it round or squared. All these single settings that you can do, it may not seem like much, but these are like the small things that I really like, that they just made that details. They really put the work into it. Probably my most favorite thing is after buy, that you can put in nothing happens, open page, new tab, and storage sell, which pretty much means if you buy here, like for example, you just have a CT play, somebody like Trump tweeted something, you press buy, the page will instantly open after this. You can open it in a new tab or switch to sell easily, which I think is super cool, because then you just need to press this and on the button as well, and maybe then 2-3 new coins got out and then you can't find the real one, and then you're already fucking down a house again. So these are like the little things I really like. Obviously data, really fucking cool. The layout, they have different layouts as well, how you like it, how you want it. And the coolest thing is, I think, theme. This is the original theme. I think this is how it will look before you selected anything. I really like the Cupsy theme. It's like a little bit brighter and a bit more gray. You can obviously customize it how you want, but I just think that this is the best. Also, a really cool thing is the earn feature on Nova, and this is probably like the number one thing why you should switch to Nova, because they have a 30% cashback plus a 40% referral rate. So if you invite new users, if you invite your friends, or maybe you have a little following on Twitter or on Telegram, you invite them, you get 40% of the trading fees they trade on, plus you save yourself 30% on your own. Plus, if you join over a link, you get 10% off. So you can actually save a lot of money by trading on Nova instead of trading on a different platform, which may not sound like much, but if you have high volume, if you trade a lot of SOL every day, you can save yourself money. Why not save it? Why throw it out of the window? So that's a really cool thing. You have also levels that you can level up, that you unlock and you earn a lot of things. Higher referral rate, higher cashback rate. Here you can claim your SOL. Here you see the points that you earned today, all of the information that you need, and you also have daily quests and weekly missions that you then earn points on, and then you get a higher level, which I think is super fucking cool. You have a holdings tab here just to see what you hold, but that's pretty much it out here. Obviously there's customizations. I don't think I need to show them to you. Like the quick buy settings, you can change to 1 SOL, 2 SOL, then the tab will obviously change. The notification sound or the settings here, it's completely up to you what you trade, how you trade. So it's there. I'm not going to show it to you. If you want my settings, you could just DM me on Telegram and I'm going to send you my settings over that I have imported here. But now we're going to go into a trading tab. Actually, let's maybe find something else fun that I can show you some stuff in here. It probably looks pretty familiar to you. Like I said, it looks similar to a lot of other platforms. You're gonna have your trading plan in here. If you want to have the instant trade table, you can press on here, then you're going to see it. You can hide your P&L or show it down here. You can add hotkeys to your buttons. You can see token holdings as well. You can put them away. A really cool thing is that you have the multi-wallet feature. If you want to trade with multiple wallets at the same time, you want to split supply, you don't want people checking out on you, blah blah, you can do this. Not a lot of people, or not a lot of platforms actually offer this, which I think is really cool. Then obviously you're gonna have the trades down here, which I think they look super cool. If you hover over the transaction, you actually see how much they invested, sold, remaining, the P&L, the type that they are, a dolphin, a whale, a fish, the trades, and how long they've held. So I mean, just a normal transaction table. You can also put it on the trade table back here and then focus on the holders down there, which a lot of people do. Yeah, on holders, which I think is really cool, you have a bubble map as well, super cool. And you also have a Cabal Spy in the holders here, see which cabals are invested, which are in, who bought, who not. For example, here we see in Fun Insider Bot, Red Wizard Bot, for example. You can check out the bubble map as well, and the holders. What I think is super cool with the holders is you can select all top 10 sniper, insider, fresh holdings, and follow, which I think is super dope. That you can just change on that. Obviously, you're gonna have data security, everything top 10 holder, how much the dev holds, sniper, blah blah blah. You see the token banner here. If the deck screener is paid, that's super cool, that you don't need an extra extension for it, because before you needed an extension for it, but now you see actually if the paid decks. That's a really cool banner. And the really cool thing as well is if the similar tokens, if you think, oh, was this launched before, was it done before, blah blah blah, you can look at the similar tokens and you see here, this is the first one. This was launched 31 minutes ago, and these ones are just, you know, newer. So, you know, it's a correct one that you're actually buying. And then obviously you're gonna have all of these standard stuff. Your instant trade table where you can select different presets of settings. You can customize everything, buy, sell. You can have the volume, 5 minutes, an hour, 6 hours, 24 hours. You're gonna have your P&L here. You can also select it in here to go from dollar to SOL. You're gonna see the dev tokens. This is now in this case the first token. You're gonna see your positions in here, and then obviously the chart that you can customize as well with the top 10 average exit, entry, the ignite monitor when it was called. You can remove it, you can add it however you want. You can have really cool P&L cards, like look at it, like change it from dollar to SOL, but it looks fucking sick. You can obviously also import your own images to have your custom P&L card, and you can also instantly tweet about this, so it's really fucking cool. You're always going to have a what's new tab, so actually you know about the newest updates and stuff. And then like I said, they're really fucking fast with all of the updates and are hard working on this. And that's already pretty much it, you know. Obviously you're gonna have way more settings for privacy, for security reasons. Nova is top tier, they're secure as it just gets. But always, you know, check that out for yourself. Make sure your account is safe, make sure everything is fine. And other than that, that was pretty much it, you know. I think best is to check it out for yourself and try it, because this is not like a lot of other shit platforms that come out, because there have been plenty, I can tell you. And a lot of people are still stuck to like Axiom or Padre, but I would really recommend you to go ahead and try Nova out for yourself, because it is actually good. It really is. You know, there are a bunch of other platforms that I wouldn't recommend you to trade on. I wouldn't recommend you to trade on NeoBullX, because it's just dog shit. They just don't care anymore. They just don't make any updates. They don't work on it. But Nova, they actually care. I've actually talked with the founders and devs themselves. They're super cool guys. You know, they're hard working on it. They've been hard working on this platform, and they're going to continue to do so. And it's a super cool platform. And obviously the best thing is the cashback. You just save yourself so much money. So why not use it? And yeah, take a look for yourself. If you have any questions, ask in the comments, or you can just DM me on Telegram as well. And yeah, that was pretty much it with the video. If you liked it, leave a like. I would really appreciate if you also leave a sub. You can also join my Telegram in the descriptions, where I'm going to update you on a lot of updates in your crypto world. And other than that, I hope you're gonna have a nice day, and bye.